Today I will be installing a roof rack to my Tesla Model S 2013. The story I will tell I think is valid from 2012 to early 2015 models, and I understand that after that the roof system has changed. So first of all, you should have a Tesla with panoramic roof. And then I ordered these Thule crossbars. You should order two different ones. One is called large size 7603B, which fits to the rear of the car, and the other one is called extra large, which is wider than this one, and it is called 7604B. And then this kit, which is again from Thule, I bought it from Amazon warehouse deals for $20. It was retailing $85, but this is an open box. So this is called kit 3130. Again, this is specially designed for Tesla Model S from 2012 to early 2015 models. So what we do is we fit the kit, which is literally these rubber pieces. Actually they are marked as rear right, rear left, and front rear and front left. And this metal piece here also came from the kit. And this is the bar itself. It is the bit adjustable to match your car's width. So first I installed this kit onto the bar, and secondly I opened the flaps and I used studs coming from the set, and I installed the stud over that slot, and then I put the bar, and now I'm tightening it. So once I tighten these nuts with the wrench coming in the kit, now I start equally tightening each side so that it will be fixed. I adjusted the width by my hand, and now I'm tightening. I think it's fixing the width of the bar. Let's go to the other side. You need to cross tighten it, which means you should not be tightening one side to the end, but slowly, one by one, going left and right. And then we will just take the flaps. So these are the flaps which came from the kit. The lock is not coming with the kit, so that's an optional item in case you would like to lock your stuff. And next I will be putting this into that one. So now I will start installing the second one, which is part number 7604B. It came as Amazon warehouse deals, so the box is a bit damaged. So this is extra large size, which is wider than the previous one, and it fits to the front of the car. First thing you need to do is to put this rubber piece into the given slot. So the next thing to do is turn around this piece. I will do it by hand so that you will get the two screws here. And there are 4 screws which came out of the box, and I go to my kit, again kit 3130 for Tesla early models for Model S, and I will be installing this with these screws to here. Just tighten it up. There are also stickers coming from the kit. You need to label those. So apparently this is the front of the bar, so this is front left. So I will just put this front left sticker, peel it off here, so next time you install it, it would be easier. So now I am picking up this stud on the wrench and going to install this stud to my roof slot. Open this up, don't break it. Try to get the first. Sorry, I was putting the and gently start tightening it. Not gently though, it's a bit tight. Yep, here we go. And then I will put those rubber bands onto those pieces I have installed. The trick here is that they are not identical, so there's a number here, 33, and the manual says 33 goes to front right. So yep, and the next step will be just to put this onto the roof, to the studs I have just installed, and I will tighten it. So you will see here that the bar freely adjusts up to certain width, and then I will just adjust it on the roof. Once I fix it, I will be again tightening these bolts 50% here, and then I will go to the other side, tighten it a bit, and I will come to this side, so I will be tightening it crosswise. So now I just put it on place. I can hear you guys asking whether it clears the sunroof or not. So that's why I opened the sunroof before. I was putting it on loose, and apparently it touches the sunroof. Sorry about that, but you will not be able to open your sunroof while this kit is installed, because I still did not tighten it down, and apparently it will have problems. And now the next step is putting the spring washer and the nut on and tightening it down. Once I am done with here, again I will tighten this a bit, and then I will do the same from the other side. So I will crossly tighten those screws. Last step is to put these caps on. I didn't like them much because most probably it's because of the kit, so it was not a perfect match or touch to the rubber. You can see that there are still gaps here as well as at the rear side of it. So because I didn't buy a lock, I'm just putting these dummy pieces in. Also, another thing I don't like is, I mean, they have a play. I hope they don't fall off while driving. So we are good. The next video will be about putting a bike rack over this one. Please follow my channel and you can enjoy those videos. Thank you.